Hello, today we're going to be presenting our student scenario. So our student's name is Tom and he's experiencing struggles on and off campus that prevent him from achieving his academic goals. Now, Tom is dealing with a lot of stress, and the reason behind that is that Tom is working a full-time job as a delivery driver, which puts a lot of stress on him, and he also has a lot of university work and he's not doing so well, so he's got bad grades, and he's struggling to find new friends, and he's also looking for an apartment. So the solutions we've come up with to Tom's stress is taking a stress management class available in ASU, and he could also try meditation. And one off-campus thing he could do is seeking help from a therapist. He can also ask his academic advisor for help if he's finding that some classes might be a bit difficult for him. So he might be able to reconsider his major, change majors perhaps. And one suggestion is for him to stay on campus. That way he could find new friends. And yeah, now we're going to be talking about why Tom is struggling due to him being a transfer student. So one of the issues of being a transfer student is that Tom has to be adjusting to this new university, and he again also has to find new friends, and he might be used to a different workload in his previous university, so that might be a factor for him struggling. And again, also finding a new place to stay, that could also be a problem for him. And losing some credits, that could happen with many transfer students, unfortunately. And also, he could be initially, before coming in, he could be struggling a lot with the admission officers. So that might have put a lot of stress on him before he was accepted. And also being homesick. So the solutions we've come up with are um, taking an online transfer success course available in ASU. And also he should think about the cost changes, and he should also meet up with his advisors and let them know if he has any issues. And again, another suggestion is living on campus so he could make more friends and feel more connected with this new university. And a solution to him being homesick is keep in touch with all of his loved ones back home. Another issue that students may face is struggling with deciding a major or a career path. A possible solution is scheduling a meeting with your advisor and doing some more research on your college majors, as well as ask your friends or other students. Now for some ASU tips and tricks and information. You could use these to explore your interests or options and your future. You can use Me3, which is an online interactive major career quiz, to easily explore majors and careers that can fit your interests and passions. Then it could help chart an academic pathway to find a degree program that leads to a degree so you can design the future you want. ASU provides numerous ways to choose the right major and career path. You can also take quizzes, find your interests, meet others with similar goals, and speak to an advisor. Tom has many great opportunities and tools for success. Tom is lacking a strong, reliable support system. In order for Tom to be a successful student, he needs a strong support system from his family, friends, and teachers. He needs a safe place to be able to release any stress or concerns he may be going through. Venting his feelings and thoughts could really impact his life, school, and work positively. Now for some benefits of the support system. Some benefits are positive environments, good influences, better well-being, coping skills, longer and healthy life, reduce depression and anxiety, and reduce stress. Studies have shown improvements in a person's well-being with a secure and dependable networking support system, improving the ability to cope with stressful situations and alleviating the effects of emotional distress is two of many great outcomes of having a support system. It also promotes lifelong good mental health, and also a support system could also enhance self-esteem and lower cardiovascular risks such as lowering blood pressure. Now Tom's grades are slipping, and he needs to pass all of his classes in order for him to graduate. There are many resources available for students to help them achieve their academic goals. One of those resources is office hours, which is when a student could ask his professor some questions. Tom has to prioritize and minimize distractions. Now, his goal is to graduate, so he has to prioritize the things that will help him achieve that academic goal. His priorities should be homework, his job, social life, and family time. Just become just because Tom's top priority is homework doesn't mean he can't do anything else. It just means he might have to say no or finish his homework before going out. Now Tom has on-campus options and off-campus options. ASU has multiple libraries on campus that have computers, Wi-Fi, and other resources to complete assignments. There are tons of non-reservable study rooms that Tom could use to make tests, attend Zoom classes, or meet with a classmate. Tom's current job takes up a lot of time and takes from valuable school time. Tom's current job has random hours and income-based tips. What Tom needs in a job to succeed in school is flexible job hours, and for it to be close to campus or on campus and pays average. Seeking help is not always easy. Take a minute and ask yourself these questions. Have you resisted to ask for help? Would you be in a different position right now if you did go to office hours or the tutoring center? Would your goals be achieved by now? Would you be taking this class right now if you had not resisted seeking solutions? Now, ways to overcome resistance to change is to expect resistance, encourage friendship, identify the root cause of resistance, and communicate effectively. Thank you for listening.